guys. Hello, and we're back on the greatest places of all. Walmart is one of the best places ever. So, well, there's weird stuff like that, and that. But they're cool. Now, let's see this person. Whoa, she looks like a vampire. Happy Halloween. Okay. And there's this fake blood sword. Really bloody. It's fake blood. And now we got another person. She's really weird. It's like a monkey. Monkey face. And we got a clown. We got a Masagi. And we got a way better knife. A better weapon than the other one. Now let's see this person. Ah!
Did you just get rid of Zuzu? What is the name of that?
Zuzu.
Zuzu. Okay.